Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to highlight expired dates in Excel. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So we have a range of 10 tasks that must be completed by a certain date. To begin with, we will highlight those dates that will come in a day or two. That is, the deadline is already closed, but you can still work on the task. First, we add the current date using the today function. This function is useful because Excel always displays the current date when running. Next, we use conditional formatting for highlighting. We select a range with dates, click conditional formatting, new rule, use a formula for determining which cells to format, and enter the formula. In this case, the formula will look like this. How does it work? Since we use the AND function, in order for the formula to work, two conditions in brackets must be met. The first condition is that the difference between the date in the cell and the current date must be greater than 0. And the second condition is the same difference should be less than 3. If you need to increase the highlighted number of days before the deadline, then the number 3 can be changed. And don't forget to fix only column D with the $sign so that the formula works with all cells of the range. Changing the fill color, we haven't missed the deadline yet, so let it be orange. Click OK. Great, all dates that are more than the current one and less than 3 are highlighted. That is, dates less than 16 and more than 18 no longer fall under the condition. Okay, now let's highlight the dates that are already expired. We select a range, conditional formatting, new rule, click use the formula and so on. We enter a similar formula as in the first case with only some differences. Since we used the OR function in the formula, now our formula will work if one of the conditions is met, namely the difference between the dates is less than 0. That is, the deadline has already come yesterday. And the second condition is that the difference is 0. That is, the deadline is already today. We choose the fill, it will be bright red, since we have already missed all the deadlines. Click OK, and indeed, all dates less than and including 16 are highlighted in red, as we needed. And if you don't take into account the current date, then the formula will look even simpler. We just check only one condition, namely all calculations that are less than 0 are highlighted, the rest are not. Briefly and clearly. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.